Remove the battery and the screw on the back cover. Push the side cover by fingertips. This is the inside view. Dismantle the hard drive. Remove the lower bottom speakers. Disconnect the ribbon cable. After remove the 5 screws, the motherboard could be flipped up. Remove the 5 screws and the plastic separator can be removed. Gently remove the ribbon cable with double adhesive tips. Remove another 6 screws and the keyboard can be pulled out gently. Old keyboard and new keyboard comparison. Insert the new keyboard and reattach the 6 screws. After tidy up the ribbon cable, put back the plastic cover. Gently insert the motherboard. Flip down the motherboard in orderly manner. Connect the ribbon cable, speaker cable, and the hard disk cable in orderly manner. This is the final outcome. It is successfully done.